Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So today's video is very spontaneous. I wasn't planning on filming whatsoever. I was sat just kind of scrolling through Pinterest this morning. It's my little like Saturday morning ritual. I just kind of sit with my coffee and I watch a show in the background and I look on Pinterest, maybe a spot of online shopping. And anyway, on my peruse of the internet, I came across a trend which may or may not have been around for a while. I don't actually know. I feel like I don't really keep up with trends that often. So I saw a lot of long denim shorts, and the same for when I was looking on like Zara and Mango, those different kind of websites. And I really liked the look of them. And I thought, oh, maybe I should get some of these. But then it hit me. Why on earth would I do that when I've got a million pairs of jeans here that I no longer wear, and either they don't fit me or I don't like them for whatever reason. But I thought, why not just try and make my own pair of shorts? I've got nothing to lose. If it goes wrong, it doesn't matter because I don't wear them anyway. They were actually stored in my car in a box of things to take to either like a charity shop or to actually just put them in like a clothing bank or a skip or whatever I decided to do with them. So I thought, I'm gonna try and give this a go with some of these jeans. I'm probably not gonna do it with all of them. I'm just gonna look through and see which ones are gonna be best. And yeah, I'm gonna give it a go. I've got a GCSE in textiles, so I think I'm, if anything, overqualified for this actually. So yeah. So the jeans I've got are all ones that I've got rid of for like one reason or another. Either, like I mentioned, they don't fit me properly, or I just don't like the style of them anymore, whatever it is. So the first pair that I've got, I'm probably going to just stand up and show you these. So these are a pair of the Topshop, I don't think they're mom jeans. I don't really know what the style of these are. They're kind of like a straight leg frayed raw hem, sorry. And the reason I got rid of these is because I don't know if any other tall girls have this issue, but I just feel like jeans I just have so many issues. The problem with these particular ones is that they were a little bit short to begin with. I didn't quite like how they came up to like just above my ankle, but although some jeans are meant to look like that, I feel like these weren't, and they were just a little bit too short. They're also quite a thin denim and they cling at the knee a little bit. I don't know if you can really tell, but this is the knee here and they're just really bunchy. So I've had them for years and I've got my wear out of them, but I thought it's time to go. Time to get rid of. The next pair that I have are just a pair of H&M jeans, and they're just standard skinny jeans. And the reason for getting rid of these is that I just don't really wear skinny jeans that often anymore, apart from like black ones. So I feel like these are a potential candidate actually. I feel like these might work quite well. So these are going to go in the maybe pile. And actually I think the first pair that I showed you, no, get rid. The next pair is a pair also from H&M, yeah. And these are just like a dark grey washed black denim, and these are skinny jeans as well. And I hadn't actually gotten rid of these were still in my wardrobe, but I just don't really wear them all that much. They are quite long, which is incredible. I'm 5'10". I've never owned a pair of jeans that are long. This just doesn't happen. But yeah, in fact, what length are these? They're actually only in like a dress size, so they don't have a length, I don't think. But yeah, they're just very, very long, and they kind of gather a little bit at the ankle. So if I was to wear them with like boots or trainers, I just don't like how they fit at the bottom. So again, these might be a good potential candidate as well, because the black ones that I've seen on Pinterest and on different clothing websites, I always like those, so maybe. And then the final pair, which I think will also go in the no pile, is this pair of Topshop jeans. Ugh. And I have also worn these to death as well. So much so that I ripped a hole in them on the back pocket here. They were fairly tight when I bought them. I think they've just kind of worn a little bit because I have genuinely worn these to death. So yeah, I don't think these are going to be made into shorts unless they were the kind of shorts that I was always to wear like a blazer over the top. But maybe not, there's probably not much point in doing that. So yeah, I'm going to put these on the no pile as well. Which leaves us with this black pair of skinny jeans and this pair of kind of a mid denim wash skinny jean. So I feel like we are ready to go. Have I watched any tutorials on how to do this? No, I haven't. I imagine it can't be too difficult. I'm just gonna cut them and hope for the best and hope that they turn out okay. And if they do, then I will put on a little fashion show. So let's get started. I have found a picture that is gonna be my inspiration for this. And this is just on Pinterest. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try and put this on the screen if this doesn't look too good, but yeah, these ones they're quite short, but I feel like I might try and cut mine a tiny bit longer. So they're still above the knee, but maybe just like a couple of inches longer, maybe. So we're gonna go with the denim jeans first, I think. So I got a mirror and I've also got an eyeliner which I'm going to use to fashion like a marker as to where I'm gonna cut the jeans. So I'm probably gonna have to do this off camera because I imagine this is gonna be slightly tricky. I've drawn a line just here, so I think that looks about right. So yeah, I guess the only thing left to do is to cut them. So this is what we have so far. As you can see, I've kind of left an inch or so off where I marked. So I don't really know what to do now. Should I try these on? Maybe I should try them on and just see what they look like. Are they supposed to look like this? I mean, in terms of accuracy, I feel like I've done a pretty good job. They don't look great, I'm going to admit. They probably looked okay as jeans, but yeah, they're quite tight. Yeah, well, I definitely should have gone longer. I think that's what I'm going to take from this pair. Maybe I should try the black pair. I'm gonna try the black pair. This is probably, yeah, I'm gonna call it a day with these ones. Oh my god. We need to use these shorts, so the trial run, as a bit of a guide for how long the black pair need to be. So, right, okay. I'm gonna lay these out on the table. Okay, so these look to be a lot longer. These are just above knee length. So this is where I've marked them. Okay, right, I've cut those. I've got cramp in my hand, but that's another thing. So I'm gonna try these on now. I think one leg may be longer than the other, but I just kind of gave up after a certain point because that was incredibly painful. But I'm feeling a little bit more confident about these ones. They look slightly longer. So let's see how they turned out. So these ones have turned out a lot better. They need distressing a little bit at the bottoms, but I'm actually really happy with these. I'd definitely wear these out. So I'm gonna style them up and I'll be back in a sec. So I've just put on this kind of stony coloured blazer. This is from H&M, maybe a few months ago. I think it was like winter season actually. But yeah, I'll show you my sandals as well. So that is pretty much it for this video. I'm so happy with the way that these turned out. I will actually wear these, I think. I need to distress them a little bit more on the edges, like I said. But yeah, the blue denim ones were just an absolute write-off. But yeah, this was quite a fun little spontaneous video to film. I can't say I'm going to be doing any more DIY things because it was incredibly stressful and I've definitely got like a cramp in my hand now. But it was fun nonetheless. So if you did like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.